Hi everyone, JB here from MMP Education London. Very pleased to be with you today to show you a way to create an asymmetrical fringe, working from shorter on one part to longer on the other side. So now I want to talk to you about section. So section here, I went quite high, almost towards the top of the head. Then we went quite deep into the left hand side. This is going to allow us to reveal the bone structure a little bit more in the face shape. But the other side we went a little bit less steep, so narrower from the face shape, which basically as it goes narrow we will cover an area here of the face. So there is two very important parts of working on a fringe and the reason why we can create two very different aspects. First aspect is the depth and how deep and heavy the fringe can be. This is about how high your section can be towards the crown. So higher I go, heavier it's going to be. Now, how wide am I going to choose the section? So the wider I'm going to get, the more I'm going to open the face shape. The narrower I'm going to get, when the hair is falling on the side here, it will hide some areas of the face. So in here what we've got is we've got a very high section to bring quite a lot of weight towards the top. But it goes deeper on one side and it goes narrower on the other side. So it means that this side here we will open the face shape, and then the other side it will close down the face shape, leaving a little bit more of hiding towards the cheekbone and the jawline area. So starting cutting now, got my first section vertical. I'm going to lift the hair, I'm going to split this section into two. I want to be able to see where the hair will fall. So this is very important. I want the hair to fall around the eyes area to start with. So I'm gonna check here where I want it to fall. It's about this area here. I put it straight out and I'm gonna utilize again the point of my blade. And at this stage, it's all out of the head to create maximum softness. I'm gonna grab the top of my section here. I'm going to pull it straight out. Lots of tension. Now you're going to be able to see straight away that it goes from shorter towards longer. This is from the over direction. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually bring a little bit more softness into the shape. So by doing this is we are going to go back to the shape. We're going to see very clearly where our cutting line is. And from here, just with the tip of the blade, I'm just going to come around and break the actual end of the shape just to make it a little bit lighter. So here you have your end result, which is asymmetrical fringe. Hope you enjoyed it. JB here from MMP London. I hope you've enjoyed the time. I see you very soon. I am Goldwell.